This is tutorial number 69, and it covers how to use the body symmetry feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 67, which is located on the DVD. Now the body symmetry feature is exactly the same as the sketch symmetry feature that we did in the prior tutorials. So what it's going to allow us to do is make the symmetrical opposite of the part along an axis. So what we're going to do first is create a few axes that we're going to use to make the symmetrically opposite part. So let's click this face here, click sketch, and let's draw a line up and down this axis here. And let's make another sketch. And we'll click this face again, and we'll do one that runs across the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the symmetrically opposite part of this part over here. So again, this is a part that, say you have a left-hand side and you need the right-hand side. You can make two copies of the left-hand side, and then for one of the copies that you've saved, you can turn it into the right hand and rename it as the right-hand side. So then you'll have a left-hand CAD and the right-hand CAD. So let's start. So let's click Insert, Transformation, and click Symmetry. And for the reference, it's going to be this line here, and it's going to give you a preview of what it's going to look like. That's where you want it to be. It's going to be the right-hand side. So let's click OK. And now you have the symmetrically opposite side of the part. Now we're going to flip it on top too. So let's do the same thing. Click Insert, Transformation, Symmetry, and let's do the top. Click OK. And again, you've done a symmetrical opposite of the part. So using this tool, we've started out with the part location in the bottom left, and we've actually flipped it all the way up to here now. So using this tool, it's going to save you time if you're making symmetrically opposite parts. So like we did in the sketch, this time we're able to make symmetrically opposite parts rather than sketches. So we're making symmetrically opposite 3D components. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the body symmetry feature within Catia V5.